So here we have the RStudio session. So we've got the usual file, edit, code, view, plots and so forth, menu bars. We're looking at the performance analytics package from R, and within RStudio this is the most recent version 3.1, but the darkness of the text is not very impressive. It looks very light, but we'll continue anyway. So the file to evaluate performance analytics is a fairly small one, comprising about 70 odd lines. Uses the XTS time series package and library. We've got some data files from the EdHec Institute in which we've put in downloads, the history CSV file of the EdHec hedge fund indexes, and we use this, and we'll run the source package now, and we can see we get a list, a graph of the EdHec index returns showing the comparative returns for each of the styles. The next set to come up is the risks and returns on each of the individual hedge fund style indexes: convertible arbitrage, equity market neutral, fixed income arbitrage. We've just got the event driven one coming up. There's about 8 or 9 of these which will be plotted in due course. There have been some unreliable results produced, probably because of the low quantity of data involved in those EdHec ones. They are monthly returns, so even over 10 years there's only 120 odd data points. And finally we get a graph produced by the last section just here of the statistical properties of the hedge fund return styles. So the convertible arbitrage ones gives this sort of return, which obviously isn't quite normal, but it's possibly not too far off. You can see there are, on the middle one we can see that there are more outliers than the usual normal distribution, and here we get a curve of the, looks like the probability density function. And that is the conclusion of the performance analytics evaluation for today. So we'll stop this recording.